What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to add texture to objects in Blender. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. To get started, in the object mode, select the object on which you want to add a texture. Navigate to the shading menu located at the top center. A shading area will open up. In this area, click on New. Once you click on New, you'll be able to see the principled BSDF panel and the material output panel linked together via a node-to-node connection. Now, navigate to the folder on Windows 10 that contains the texture image and drag and drop it into the shading area of Blender. Once the image is imported, you'll see the texture image panel in the shading area. Look for color in this panel and join the node of color with the node of basic color in the principled BSDF panel. This way, the textured image will be added to your object. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.